it's Anna with WTI. Now that we're getting close to spring, I'm going to show you my favorite cold brew maker at home. So this is the Takeya cold brew coffee maker. It's the one that I have. It's a 2-quart size. I go through a lot of coffee. And in the morning, my cold brew coffee is ready for me to use. I usually like making it with my protein coffee. Instead of adding milk or cream, I add a protein shake to it, and that keeps me going. It's so delicious. So the pitcher is PBA free. It's easily hand washed. Everything comes apart. And if you are not an avid coffee drinker, you can actually keep the brewed coffee in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. It would never last that long in my house. So if you want to enjoy these, then you have to get your hands on these. The Takeya Cold Brew Coffee Maker. And that's my point of view.